Greetings, fellow financial adventurers. Welcome to our channel Snap Savings, your fortress of financial wisdom.
Ever heard of Bitcoin? Of course you have. It's like the Coca-Cola of cryptocurrency. But here's the thing. The entire crypto market is worth trillions. Trillions, people. That's more than the GDP of most countries. And it's not just Bitcoin. Thousands of cryptocurrencies are out there, each vying for a piece of the pie. Now, I'm not saying you'll become a trillionaire overnight, though wouldn't that be nice? But this massive market presents some intriguing opportunities, even for us regular folks. So, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive into the wild world of cryptocurrency. Think of this as your crash course, your cheat sheet, your Crypto for Dummies guide, only without the judgmental title. We'll demystify the jargon, explore the ways to potentially make some digital dough, and, most importantly, help you avoid getting scammed. Because, let's be honest, the crypto world can be a bit of a wild west. But hey, every good adventure needs a little risk, right? Imagine digital money, not the kind you use for online shopping. We're talking about a whole new ballgame. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies, but here's the kicker. They're decentralized. No banks, no governments, no middlemen taking a cut. It's like the internet of money-free, open, and global. Think of it like this. Traditional currencies are like hotel rooms. You need permission to use them, and someone else controls the supply. Cryptocurrency is like owning your own little cabin in the woods. You're in charge, and no landlord can kick you out. But how does it work? That's where things get a bit techie. Cryptocurrencies run on something called blockchain, which is essentially a public, digital ledger that records every transaction. It's like a giant transparent spreadsheet that everyone can see, making it nearly impossible to cheat the system. Don't worry, we'll delve deeper into blockchain in a bit. For now, just know that it's the secret sauce that makes cryptocurrencies secure and trustworthy. Well, mostly trustworthy, but we'll get to that later. Okay, time for a quick tech talk. Imagine a digital book. Not an e-book, mind you, but a book that everyone in the world shares. Every time someone makes a crypto transaction, it's like adding a new page to this book. This book is the blockchain. Each page or block is linked to the previous one, forming an unbreakable chain, hence blockchain. This makes it incredibly secure. Try changing one detail on a page and the whole book falls apart. Hackers hate it. Think of it like a giant public diary of every crypto transaction ever made. Transparent, secure, and tamper-proof. Pretty neat, huh? This revolutionary technology doesn't just power cryptocurrencies, it has the potential to change everything from supply chain management to online voting. But for now, let's stick to the topic at hand. Making money with crypto. And for that, we need to understand the different ways to get your hands on some digital gold. The most well-known way to make money with crypto? Trading, baby. Buy low, sell high. The age-old mantra holds true even in the digital world. Think of it like playing the stock market, only with way more volatility. Crypto prices can swing wildly, sometimes in a matter of hours. It's not for the faint of heart, but if you play your cards right, and have a stomach for risk, you can make a pretty penny. There are tons of cryptocurrency exchanges where you can buy and sell crypto, each with its own fees and features. Do your research, start small, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, this is a roller coaster, not a leisurely stroll in the park. And just like a roller coaster, it's best to have a plan before you hop on board. Set your investment goals, research different cryptocurrencies, and maybe even try some virtual trading before diving into the real deal. Remember that blockchain thing we talked about? Well, it doesn't maintain itself. That's where miners come in. They're like the digital accountants of the crypto world, verifying and adding new transactions to the blockchain. It's a complex process involving some serious computing power, but here's the gist. Miners solve complex mathematical problems to add new blocks to the blockchain. And as a reward for their efforts, they get rewarded with, you guessed it, cryptocurrency. Think of it like solving a Sudoku puzzle. The first one to crack the code gets a prize. Only in this case, the prize is digital gold. However, mining ain't what it used to be. Back in the day, you could mine Bitcoin on your grandma's computer. Now it's a high-stakes game requiring specialized hardware and a ton of electricity. Unless you have a spare power plant lying around, it might be best to explore other options. Here's a less energy-intensive way to make your crypto work for you: staking. Imagine earning interest on your savings account, but instead of dollars, you're earning more crypto. That's staking in a nutshell. It involves holding your cryptocurrency in a wallet and supporting the operations of a blockchain network. Think of it like being a mini miner, but without the complicated hardware and sky-high electricity bills. You're essentially lending your crypto to the network, and in return, you get rewarded with more crypto. Not all cryptocurrencies offer staking, but many do. It's a relatively low-risk way to passively grow your crypto holdings while supporting the network. Just make sure you choose a reputable staking platform and understand the risks involved. Remember, the crypto world is built on trust, but it's always wise to be cautious. Don't put all your eggs in one basket and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Trading, mining, staking, those are the big three. But the crypto world is vast and ever-evolving. There are plenty of other ways to potentially make money with crypto, some riskier than others. Ever heard of DeFi? It stands for decentralized finance, and it's like the Wild West of finance. Think lending, borrowing, and trading, but without the banks. It's a complex and rapidly evolving space, but it offers some intriguing opportunities for savvy investors. Then there are NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. These are unique digital assets that represent ownership of something. Anything from digital art to virtual real estate. It's a booming market, but it's also highly speculative. The key takeaway? The crypto world is constantly evolving. New opportunities and challenges pop up all the time. Stay informed, do your research, and don't be afraid to explore beyond the well-trodden paths. Section 8. Newbie? Don't worry, start here. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, we've all been there. The first step is to educate yourself. Read everything you can about cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and the different ways to invest. Knowledge is power, especially in the crypto world. Next, choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange to buy and sell your crypto. Look for platforms with low fees, high security, and a user-friendly interface. Remember, this is where you'll be storing your digital assets, so choose wisely. Start small. Don't go all in on your first trade. Dip your toes in the water, get a feel for the market, and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience and confidence. And remember, patience is key. The crypto market is volatile. Don't panic sell if prices drop, and don't get greedy if they skyrocket. Stick to your investment strategy and ride out the waves. Section 9. Danger Zone, Risks and Pitfalls. The crypto world can be a lucrative place, but it's not without risks. Scams are rampant, so be wary of anyone promising guaranteed returns or get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Security is paramount. Choose strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and store your crypto in a secure wallet. Remember, your crypto is only as safe as the platform or wallet you choose. Volatility is another risk to consider. Crypto prices can fluctuate wildly, so be prepared for a bumpy ride. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and avoid making emotional decisions based on market swings. Regulation is another gray area. The crypto world is still relatively unregulated, which can be both a blessing and a curse. It offers more freedom and flexibility, but also more uncertainty and risk. Stay informed about the latest regulations and how they might impact your investments. Section 10. In a nutshell, what you need to remember. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that operates on a decentralized network called blockchain. It's secure, transparent, and has the potential to revolutionize the financial world. There are several ways to potentially make money with crypto, including trading, mining, staking, and exploring the world of DeFi and NFTs. Education is crucial. Do your research, understand the risks, and invest wisely. Start small, choose reputable platforms, and prioritize security. The crypto world is volatile, risky, and constantly evolving. But it's also exciting, innovative, and full of opportunities for those willing to embrace the unknown. Section 11, Ready, Set, Crypto. So there you have it, your crash course in the world of cryptocurrency. It's a wild ride, full of ups and downs, but it's also an exciting time to be a part of this technological revolution. Remember, knowledge is power, caution is key, and a little bit of curiosity can go a long way. Now go forth and explore the exciting world of crypto. Just remember, this is not financial advice. I'm a comedian, not a financial advisor. Do your research, consult with a professional, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Good luck out there.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more profound insights into mastering your financial journey.